Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I am Miss Arusa Salim and I belong to Peshawar Model Schools. I'm your English teacher for level 3. Today we are going to discuss the second unit of level 3 English, which is Saint Brigid and the Fox. All of you should open your books at page number 8. Before starting the story, dear students, let us discuss the main characters. What are the main characters of this story? The main characters of this story are, as you can see in the picture, number 1 is Saint Brigid. Now, what is a saint? A saint is a religious or a holy person in a church. Any religious or holy person in a church, such as a nun or a father, that person is known as a saint. So the main character of this story is a saint. As you can see in the picture, it is Saint Brigid. The second main character is the fox, a pet fox, and the third character is a king. You can see the pictures of all three characters. Now moving towards reading and explanation, Saint Brigid lived in Ireland a long time ago. Now what is Ireland? Ireland is the name of a country in Europe. Saint Brigid lived in Ireland a long time ago, which means that this story is very old. At that time there were kings in Ireland. Long ago, what was the system of ruling in Ireland? That kings used to rule Ireland. The king of Ireland had a pet fox. Dear students, most of you would be having pets at your home, such as a pet cat, a pet dog, or birds. But the king of Ireland, he had a pet, and that pet was which animal? It was a fox. But it was not wild. It was a very good fox. Why it was a good fox? Because it was gentle like a kitten. You can see that the word gentle is underlined. So it means that it is difficult for you. The meaning of gentle is kind. That fox was gentle or kind just like a kitten. What is a kitten? A young cat is called a kitten. It could do a lot of tricks. One day the fox escaped and ran into the woods. Now what happened one day? The pet fox, it ran away into the woods. What are the woods? Woods means forest. You can see the picture of woods or forest. What happened? A hunter killed the fox. You can see the picture of hunter over here. Is a man with a gun. That hunter, he killed the pet fox of that king. When the king heard that his pet fox is being killed, the king became very angry. The king was very angry. As you can see in the picture, the king is very angry. The king told the hunter that he would kill him. Why he would kill him? Because the hunter killed pet fox of the king. So as a punishment, the king announced that the hunter would be killed. After hearing this, the man's friends, the hunter's friends, went to visit Saint Brigid. They asked her to help. Saint Brigid went to visit the king. When Saint Brigid came to know about the whole matter, she went to visit the king of Ireland. While she was going, on the way she saw a fox in the woods. As you can see the picture of a fox. "Come with me, little fox," she said. When she saw a fox in the wood, what she said, "Come with me, little fox." All the animals loved Saint Brigid because she was so kind. Why Saint Brigid was so famous in Ireland? Because she was very kind, she was very gentle. The people as well as the animals, they used to like her. The fox jumped into her arms. That fox, which was a wild fox who used to live in the forest, quickly jumped into her arms. Suddenly means quickly, all at once. She was kind and gentle like the king's old fox. When Saint Brigid arrived, the king was still angry. Arrived means reached. Saint Brigid arrived, the king was still angry. Where did she reach? Where did she arrive? As you can see in the picture that the kings, they used to live in castles. So she arrived, or she reached the castle to visit the king, and the king was still angry. The hunter will be killed, he said. Saint Brigid smiled. I have the best fox, she said. Now Saint Brigid told the king that you should not kill the hunter because I have the best fox. He can do more tricks than the fox you lost, and this fox is more good because it can do more tricks than the fox which is being killed. The king saw the fox during his tricks. He was pleased. Pleased means that the king became very happy when he saw the new fox, because the new fox was also very gentle and kind, and that fox was also performing a lot of tricks. He took the fox and led the hunter again. Now the hunter was set free. He was ready to go. That was the end of the story. There is a few points which we are going to discuss about Saint Brigid. Now, who was Saint Brigid? A few facts are, Saint Brigid lived in Kildare. Now, what is Kildare? It is a city of Ireland. Ireland is the country, while its city is Kildare. People loved her because she was always so good and kind. Saint Brigid's Day is on 1st February. This is also the first day of spring. Many places in Ireland are named after Saint Brigid. There are many schools in Ireland called Saint Brigid School. It means that Saint Brigid is a very famous character in Ireland, and many places are named after her. That was the end of the story. Now, what is your homework, dear students? That you have to do the reading of full unit number 2. You are going to read unit number 2, Saint Brigid and the Fox. And what you are going to learn? You are going to learn meanings of the following difficult words, such as gentle means kind, kitten, a young cat, pleased, happiness, suddenly, all at once, trick. Trick means to deceive or to make a fool of someone. So you are going to learn these words meanings, and then you will give a short test to your parents. Thank you so much.